So how are you going to say go? You going to say ready, set, go, or on your mark, or what are you going to say?
What do you guys think?
Just say on your mark and say go.
Ready, steady, go!
Sparkle!
What?
Whoa!
That was the best thing I've seen in a while.